you've ever used a computer and it hasn't quite cooperated, you might have heard the expression, have you tried turning it off and back on again? That can happen with the CZone system. The most common cause of this though is when the boat's gone flat, whether you knew about it or not, and the computer's got a little bit upset. So now we're going to locate the network breakers, normally located near your battery switches, and that's where we're going to focus our attention now. Before we continue with the first step, the first thing you need to do is make sure the boat is securely moored or anchored. We do not want to do this while the boat is underway. What we're going to do is find this network breaker and the screens breaker and use your fingernail or a small screwdriver to release the lockout tabs, and then we're going to turn both of them off, and which will actually depower the boat. The entire boat will power down, which will leave for at least 10 seconds before we then turn the switches back on. And this is just like turning the power on your computer. If we were looking at a screen right now, you would see it booting up. Now that the network breaker is back on, I've made my way back up to a CZone screen. And as you'll see, there's no actual mode selected yet because we've done that reset, and that's the last step in the process. So go through, pick a mode, the boat will power back up, and everything should be back to normal. Especially if you had some sort of strange gremlin you just couldn't figure out, this is a good way to sort it out. Normally related to flat batteries, or if you've had some service work done and they've had to disconnect the batteries for some reason. Have a great day, enjoy the boating, we'll see you out in the water.